Let's make watermelon mango 2-ingredient smoothie. For this you will need 2 cups of frozen watermelon, 1 cup of frozen mango. No need to add any liquid to it, just blend and the watermelon will start melting. This step is optional. You can add 1 tablespoon of pink pitaya powder. I wanted my smoothie to be rich pink color. That's why I added it. It is that simple, 2 ingredients, no need for any sugar, anything. Place your smoothie onto the glass or bowl and enjoy as is, or you can squeeze lime juice and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.